Oh. I've been mouth taping for about 5 months now, and here's why I'm not gonna stop. When you mouth tape at night, it fully prevents you from mouth breathing, which over time can actually reshape your face. And if you don't believe me, then look at this before and after from when I started mouth taping versus now. I sleep absolutely amazing. I have a super sharp jawline now, and my health has never been better. I use the brand Snore because it's made of silk and it's not gonna irritate your skin over time. And this is the only brand I've found that come with 30 of these nose opening strips for completely free. If you guys wanna make this small investment on yourself or a huge investment on your health in the long run, then I dropped the link below.